The Portuguese language has three different sounds. The first sound is the strong sound. We can find this sound in words like carro, which means car, rainha, which means queen. This sound is similar to the sound of the letter H in English in words like hospital and house. The second sound is the weak sound. We can find this sound in words like caro, which means expensive, and feira, which means fair. This R resembles to the American pronunciation of the letter R in the word butter. And the third sound of the R in Portuguese is the hidden sound, which is more subtle. We can find this sound when we use Portuguese verbs in the infinitive form. For example, falar, to speak, comer, to eat, and dormir, to sleep. So this sound is a more subtle sound, and it's similar to the R in the British English. For example, in the word art. And now we have an exercise for you to practice the three sounds of R in Portuguese. So the first strong sound, the exercise is ha, he, hi, ho, hu. The letter R with all the 5 vowels in Portuguese. The weak sound, it is ra, re, ri, ro, ru. And the subtle sound, it's ar, er, ear, or, ur. Let me know how does it go on the comments down below. Bye!